Will you take a look at this beauty? This is fully done. It's ready to go. And when I say done, I mean every nut and bolt. There's no rust in it. You don't have any issues. It's laser straight. Just beautiful paint on this. Interior is all done. Your bed has the non-slip Rhino coating, so don't be afraid to use it. This truck can be used for car shows. Take it to Cars and Coffee in the morning. Take it to your local cruise and people are going to go crazy. Or do you just want that classic ride to drive? It is done. Bulletproof. Now, it's a 1977 Ford F250 4x4 running the 400. Huge plus there. Slight modification on the engine has to do with the carburetor. It is running the new MSD Automatic Adjusting EFI. A lot of you know exactly what that is, but for those that don't, what it will do. Let's say you're in Denver, you're at the Mile High. There's a small fob, you'll see it in the videos. You can tell it where you're at, it'll set it up. You don't have to take it to a mechanic to have it tuned. You can do it yourself. If you're like we are, you live in Washington, you're at sea level, same thing. You can also adjust how the car is going to drive. If you're going to be driving in the city, you don't need all that power. You tell it so, save yourself some gas. Are you going to be hauling something, towing, whatever, you're going to be using that four-wheel, you let it know. You have the power to do that. They're extremely cool. This also comes with powered steering and the tinted windows. Here's the kicker though. This is a very rare truck. It comes with a Marti report. A lot of you know what that is. For those that don't, a Marti report will break down every number on the VIN and tell you exactly what the truck is, where it was built, when, and what options that it should have on it. We'll go over that in just a moment. Now, you're going to have tons of questions, so let's get to the business side. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. My website is pantherroadclassics.com. This is one of those that I know you're going to want it. You're going to have tons of questions. So feel free to call me, okay? So let's get to this cool video and take a look at this truck. Sorry for interrupting your video, but I want to show you this really quick. Ta-da! This is liquid gold for your truck. And you're going, what is it? This is the Marti report. This is a complete breakdown of the VIN. This is one of the original Ford window stickers. This is the original tag. It is all here. Now, what does the Marti report say? It is telling you this is a special order truck. It is one of only 192 ever made. That is it. So, if you are looking for a great investment, this is it. It comes with all the documentation, the Marti report, everything goes with the truck. You cannot find a better deal than this. Sorry for interrupting your video, but I wanted to show you this. It is important. So let's get back to the video. I'm going to help you out here for a minute. You're wondering, how can I justify buying this beautiful truck to my wife? I'm going to show you how you do it. In front of your wife, you pull out your phone, and you say, prices of a new Ford F250. That's right, I said new. King Ranch, $78,000. Platinum, $79,000. A limited edition, $98,000. Super Duty, which is what this would have been back in the day, $104,000. Remember, that's Ford recommended price. Okay, at the dealership, depending on where you live, easily add another 20% or more onto that sticker price. And you look at the wife and you go, this is new, it's ready to go. It's a steal. And you tell her, look at all the money I'm saving. Yeah. That's how you talk your wife into buying this beautiful truck. Wasn't she just a beautiful, beautiful truck? I mean, absolutely gorgeous. So let's do a quick recap. The 77 Ford F250 4x4 running a 400 has a Dana 60 with 410 rear end gears. It does have the tinted glass and powered steering. Very rare truck. It's only one of 192 ever built. Comes with the Marti report to back that up. I know you're going to have tons of questions. So the business side of everything. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. My website is pantherroadclassics.com. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you at our next video.